everyone, this is Chef Mariam Ahmed Rana, and what's cooking today? So we are going to cook Oreo milkshake recipe. It's very delicious and creamy and chocolatey recipe. So it's in fireless recipe. It's very easy to make. Okay, so I have choose Oreo milkshake recipe because I know everyone loves Oreo biscuits. Yeah. So let me tell you the ingredients. So these are crushed Oreos. You can see crushed Oreos. I've crushed it already. And we have some melted chocolate and a glass of milk. And this is, I am going to use a chargeable mixer. It is very safe for children. So let's make the recipe. I'm very excited. Okay, let's pour some crushed Oreos. Okay, then we will gonna pour some milk. And then the last ingredient, the melted chocolate. It's very fun to make the recipe. Okay. Let's cover. Okay. Now I'm gonna start the button. Let's make it. Yay! Wow, it's very beautiful to see. So I think it's done. So let's pour it in the glass. Wow, the smell is amazing. Okay. Wow, it's very thick also. You can see. Now the decoration time. Okay. First, we will put some crushed Oreos for the decoration on the topping. Wow! And some Oreo on the side. Wow! It's looking very tasty and delicious. I'm very excited to try it. So let's try it. Oh my god, it's very, very delicious and very chocolatey. Wow. It's very delicious. So please try this recipe at home because it's very easy to make and it's very yummy and your children love it.
मेरे अच्छे वीडियोस देखने के लिए आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें। मेरे अच्छे वीडियोस देखने के लिए आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें।